Hey guys, it's Eric with Worship the King. I want to welcome you. Today we're doing Echo and we're going to do a simple strum along. So many of you guys have said, I want to do just a simple strum along. Now this song is a little bit harder, I admit, than some of the other songs we're doing. It has a B minor, has an A chord, but I'm teaching you all of that this week. But this is the very simple strum along. You can put your capo on the 4th fret and we get started going just like this. I'm going to do 1, 2. Remember, all of these charts are online on the store for free, and I'm going to break them down in other videos. So we are strumming along very simply with this pattern. It goes like this. 1, 2. When night is falling and fear is coming, still you're calling me. 3, 4. 1, 2. When faith is lost and my hope exhausted, for you will be my strength. When my mind says I'm not good enough, God, you're enough for me. This is all down. I've decided I'm not giving up, 'cause you won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. Love is holding on and it won't let go. I feel it breaking out like an echo. Love is holding on and it won't let go. I feel it breaking out like an echo, echo in my soul. Oh, it's all down. Oh, oh, to the verse. 1, 2. In every season, 1, 2. You keep repeating, 1, 2. Your promises to me. 3, 4, and 1, 2. Now there's no stopping what you have started till it is complete. All down. When my mind says I'm not good enough, God, you're enough for me. 2, 3. I've decided I'm not giving up, 'cause you won't give up on me. You won't give up on me. Love is holding on and it won't let go. All down. I feel it breaking out like an echo. Oh, oh, love is holding on and it won't let go. I feel it breaking out like an echo in my soul. Oh, 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 echo in my soul. Oh, echo in my soul. Okay, so in this song, it was very simply done, just doing straight down 8th note pattern with a little bit of a flip when we change chords. And then on the verse, we just do that really simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So if you want to learn this, just click in the videos, click on to Worship the King, go to YouTube sessions. You can watch every video for Echo coming out every day this week. And also make sure you like this video, write a comment in there, be like, hey man, what's going on? And then click the little bell, because that really helps on YouTube. It really, really helps. Just write some comments. It doesn't matter what they are. Just say, hey man, how's it going? Cool. You know, what are you gonna do with those drums back there? I'll get into that, what I'm going to do with the drums. So also, you're always invited to join me at worshiptheking.com. If you want to learn all of these techniques, join me at worshiptheking.com. Get your free chord charts, and you can also get a free 30-day trial of my entire online school. And the coolest thing is you can sign up as a whole worship team now. So I would love to talk to you about that. God bless you guys.